time cycle ventilator will behave in this manner, similar to what the first part of the schematic, or the top part of the schematic. So what happened here is that we have pressure, and we are asking the ventilator to raise the pressure from a baseline to a specific pressure and hold it for a certain period of time, push it inside the patient lungs, and then stop after a certain period of time to allow for the patient to do exhalation, and repeat the same thing again and again. Remember that this ventilator is actually time cycled. We are using pressure in it. It's called pressure controlled, but it's a time cycled ventilator. Pressure control means that you are asking the ventilator to increase the pressure and hold it for a certain period of time. So you can control it with the pressure, and then after a certain period of time, you close the inhalation valve and open the exhalation valve for the patient to exhale.